you looking for something with navigation, backup camera, sunroof, and heated cooled seats that are leather? Well, then this might be it for you. Hey guys, Mackenzie here, Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri. The highest rated dealership in Middle America and dealer rated dealer for the past 3 years. You can find out why by going to over 10,000reviews.com. Today I'm here to show you this 2015 Toyota Highlander. And this is beautiful. It comes in this crystal white exterior, but you also have that chrome Toyota badging up front with those halogen headlamps and fog lamps below to light that path away. And this is a 3.6 liter V6 engine, so you got some power underneath this hood with 19-inch alloy wheels. So outstanding right there as well. Those indicator lights on the back of your mirrors with the power heated option and blind spot monitoring, so you now know if anybody's coming up on your side that you may not see. So let's take a look at that inside. Making our end, these are black leather heated cooled seats. Both sides are power adjustable. Driver's side does have memory settings and they are very nice and cozy. You do have your leather wrapped steering wheel with Bluetooth controls, audio controls, and you also have your cruise controls right there. Making your way over, your media center is a touch screen, so just touch of a button. Perfect. You do have your CD input up above. You do have your controls for that audio as well. And if you go straight to your home, you can see that perfect navigation right there, or you can make it where it's supersized and see it everywhere, so you know where you're at all times from now on. You do have plenty of apps as well, your Eco, your traffic that you can subscribe to. You can receive your text messages and phone calls straight through your media center now as well. So very helpful. You can subscribe to Yelp, stocks, movie tickets, have it all. You know, perfect. You can, when you go on those road trips, you can see your gas mileage, and well, you can see that anyways, but you can see like the prices everywhere, so you can see what you can get better there. The weather, everything. If you subscribe to that, it's something perfect to have. As we were talking, you can click your phone button right there as well, make it a little easier. You can put your little micro SD card here, so you got perfect access, and you also have a backup camera when this is in reverse. So perfect for everybody to see that clear view of when you're backing up, making sure you're safe. You do have your dual climate controls below as well, which you can see on the LCD screen right there. So it makes it convenient, functional for everyone. And a nice space here. I don't know about you guys, but I always lose my phone. I hate putting it in a cup holder, especially with water, your drink. You don't want to get it wet and yuck. So it goes all the way over here for the passenger too. Down below, you do have that hill descent, your traction control, and you have those two cup holders, your heated cooled seat buttons right there that you can control of just the finger, and a center console that is really, really nifty. Plenty of space down here. You do have that tray that you can take in or out, whatever you prefer, with another 12 volt and plenty of room. You can put your laptop in there sideways. Perfect. Making your way up, you do have controls to your garage door openers and controls to your sunroof. So, and that sunroof, you just have that amazing view of that light, let in some light in your life, and you have a JBL sound system to help with that amplified sound in your vehicle. So let's take a look at the rest. Making your way in the back, this is a bench seat. You do have those captain armchairs, but look at this. You have a nice little space for your phone, 2 cup holders, or hide it away. It's hidden from everyone now. In your rear, climate controls and that LED light right there with another 12 volt down below. But folding these down, I love quad seating. Nobody's touching anybody in the middle. You can fold these, you can slide them, perfect for everybody. You have a bench seat back here with more cup holders too, so your kids are at that comfort, your friends are at that comfort for those road trips ahead. You have everything at the touch of a hand. Perfect. Looking up, you do have that chrome roof rack as well. Your rear spoiler with that rear wiper, your limited all-wheel driving badging with that rear sensing system, and your Highlander badging as well. Have that power lift gate on your key fob, or you can do a touch of a hand right there. All I did was touch my fingertips against that, and voila, like magic. And the best thing about third row vehicles, you have a lot of space, you have plenty of space back here, you got those anchors for your kids, for your children's seat, but you can also fold these down so you have even more room in the bed of this. And you also have a storage spot below here. So if you're interested in this SUV or any of our other SUVs, come check us out at WowWoodys.com or come see our 15-acre megalot. I'm Mackenzie, until next time, wow.
Where are you guys from?
From the Kansas City area, Shawnee.
Montrose, Colorado.
Claremore, Oklahoma.
Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Parkville, Missouri.
I'm from Southern California.
I'm
Absolutely, yes.
No question about it.
Already done it.
Sure, yeah. Yeah, I would say for sure, yeah.
Of course I would. For anyone, I would definitely tell you this is a great experience for anyone to have. If you're shopping for a vehicle, any kind of vehicle, WowWoodys is the place to be.
Of course.
Okay, well, thank you for taking the time.
Yeah, you're welcome.